Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day.
Here's our next project, Cadillac CTSV wagon. This one might be one of the biggest projects we have ever done, with all new audio, custom enclosure. Pretty much this whole entire vehicle is going to get a whole update on audio, including new radio, new speakers, new amplifiers, new custom enclosure, everything. This will really show off what you can do with these Cadillacs. Typically, we just replace the radio, but this one we're going to go all out on. And in the back of the CTSV wagons, this is where the Bose amplifier is located, right here. So we're going to go ahead and pull up all this nastiness here, and we're going to go ahead and dynamite this whole entire thing, including the tub. This is the material we're going to be using. We'll put a link down below in the description underneath this video. This is Stinger. This is probably the most expensive and the absolute best for material. And the reason why I say this is when you open this up and you look at actual how thick this material is compared to others, it is very thick, it's very rigid, works really well. We use Killmat and other brands as well, but it's about half this thickness, so it takes 2 boxes compared to 1 box of the Stinger. So if you're using something high end, especially like this V and what we're doing with this, you want to use something high end on the material. Now Killmat will do the job, but it just takes a lot of it comparable to equal to this.